It's now my turn to present the company overview and the goals for the company. When it comes to AlzeCure Pharma, the company was founded in 2016 out of a research foundation which was sponsored by the Swedish Alzheimer's Fund. We are a very experienced team with long experience from the pharmaceutical industry with research, development, as well as commercialization. We are based in Stockholm at Karolinska Institute, Novum Science Park. And our focus is Alzheimer's disease and pain. And these are, as we all know, areas of huge unmet medical need. The project we are pursuing, we are doing in 3 different research platforms. We have NeuroRestore, which is a novel, first-in-class symptomatic treatment for cognitive disorders focusing on Alzheimer's disease. Then we have Alzstatin, which is an innovative disease-modifying treatment against Alzheimer's disease. And then our third platform, which is a project platform for our pain projects, where we are driving innovative project for osteoarthritis and neuropathic pain with actually opportunities to also do other projects. And as a company, we are listed in Stockholm at Nasdaq, First North Premier Growth Market. And we have a market cap of around 260 million and a cash position of 94 million as reported in the last interim report. Our business model as a company is that we are a research and development company. We are focusing on driving our projects to early clinical phase and then to out-license them or partner with other pharmaceutical companies who can then commercialize them. And this to get upfront payments, milestone payments, and royalties on sold products. Our primary focus area is truly Alzheimer's disease. And Alzheimer's disease is, as we know, a devastating disease for patients. And for society, Alzheimer's disease and dementia cost more than cardiovascular disease and oncology together. And when it comes to the patient population and the costs for society, they are expected to triple in the coming 30 years. And this is due to the aging population, having people living longer and longer. But it's not getting more uncommon to not getting Alzheimer's disease. So we really need a cure and treatment for this devastating disease. And the way we are pursuing Alzheimer's disease is with 2 different platforms. We are having Alzstatin, which is a disease-modifying treatment targeting the production of amyloid plaque to really try to stop the development of Alzheimer's disease. And here we are developing an oral small molecule. And then we are also having a symptomatic treatment that we are developing for patients who already have developed Alzheimer's disease or cognitive disorders. And this is NeuroRestore. And NeuroRestore is focusing on improving the neural function. Our second area of focus is pain. And pain is truly an area of a lot of suffering. Suicide due to chronic pain is as common as due to depression. Not many people know that. Also, that chronic pain is also the most common cause for sick leaves, which is devastating, of course, for the people having the pain, but it also creates a high societal cost and employer costs. And then we also have the opioid crisis in the US, which is huge, which is actually reversing the mean average lifespans of Americans. So we can truly say that there's a huge unmet medical need in the pain area, and not many people know this. When it comes to our platform, Painless, where we are pursuing the pain projects, we have 2 projects. We have one for neuropathic pain, and that is ACD440. And here is a lot of patients, millions of patients, more than 25, 30 million patients, and more than half of these are not experiencing adequate pain relief with the current treatments. Then we also have a project against osteoarthritis and other severe pain conditions, and that is TRACK-NAM. In TRACK-NAM, with regard to osteoarthritis, there's today more than 250 million patients. And this patient population is also growing a lot. And this is due to the increasing overweight problems and also due to the aging population. And in the company, we have a very busy pipeline, which we are very proud of. And all of our projects are small molecule programs. And we have 6 programs, 2 in each platform. NeuroRestore, we have 2, ACD 856, which is in phase 1, where we are now conducting a SAD study. And then we have Alzstatin, 2 projects. And then in the painless platform, we are having ACD 440 and TRACK-NAM. And as you maybe already know, we have just communicated positive results from our 1B study for ACD 440 for neuropathic pain. So we are now on our way to go into preparing a phase 2 study. And for us as a company, becoming a phase 2 company, which feels great. And as I said, the ACD 856 for cognitive disorders focusing on Alzheimer's disease is ongoing and fully funded. And when it comes to our goals for this year, the goals that we have communicated was a readout of our clinical 1B study, painless ACD 440. We have reported on this before a communicated timeline, the positive readout. We are now also, the next goal is to have a readout on our clinical 1A SAD study for NeuroRestore 856, which we are expecting this summer. And thereafter, we are planning to start the next NeuroRestore ACD 856 1A MAD study in the second half of this year. And then in the fall to select a drug candidate for TRACK-NAM. And then in the fall to file for a 2A clinical study for painless ACD 440 for neuropathic pain. So for us, 2021 is a busy year, following up a great 2020. So thank you for that.